Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I fleek these brows, then keep on watching. So to perfect these brows, you're going to need a spoolie, a pencil, a flat concealer brush, and some concealers. So first I'm going to go in with the spoolie and comb my brows. Just comb the hairs out, and then I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom part of the brows, and then go ahead and add on to the top, then fill in the ends. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead and use a spoolie to blend out the harsh edges of the brows. So I'm just going to fade the front portion so it looks natural. So I'm just going to go ahead and go over with the pencil until I get the perfect look that I want. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'll be using two concealers, a light shade which I'll be using at the bottom of my brows to give it that fresh look, and then I'm going to use a darker shade at the top, one that's close to my skin tone. Yes, I know I said I was going to use a concealer that's close to my skin tone, but it is close to my skin tone. However, because I'm using the same brush, so both concealers are blending together, so the concealer looks light. So long as you blend that out well, just blend it, then you won't see it looking that harsh. Now I'm going with a bigger brush, which is my foundation brush, and I'm using that to blend out that concealer so it doesn't look harsh. So I want it to have that perfect blending. I want it to have that perfect look, so I'm just going in and cleaning up, touching up, doing the final touches, and voila, this is it. Here you go guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you.